Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to get the category ID, how to change it, and even more options. So now let's go ahead and open wordpress.com/wp-admin to get this dashboard. First of all, it will be open something like that. So we put here the username or email address and then the password over here and click on login. Now this page will be opened. I have already made a lot of videos about this page, so make sure to check it out in the previous videos. But now let's stay focused with this tutorial and watch it until the end so you don't miss anything by the end of this video and you don't make any mistakes. So now we go to categories from here. So posts, categories, and here we can create a new category by clicking on this category in here. Let's make a name. So for example, let's make football or sports, and here we can add sports football. Scientific theory, there is none, and description, there is none. So now as you can see, this is the category that we have created, which is sports. If you click on edit, that's how it will look like, and if you click on view, again, that's how it will look like. Basically, the category that we have created, it's called wait, sorry guys, where is our category? Let's refresh it. Okay, sports. So the category that we have created, which is sport, if you click on view, the ID of this page, it will be shown at the top of the page of the URL. So it will be something like your domain address. So that's how it looks like for me. I will copy the domain and I will paste it in here. So it looks something like that. The domain name / the WordPress, because I have the free trial, / category / sports football. The sports football thingy, it is the thing that we have written in here. So let's go again to sports and edit. So here we have added the slug. It is the ID of the category that will be shown in the URL. So here you can find this slug and you can edit it later on for yourself. So guys, that's how you can do that, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.